If you're just joining us, Terry was telling us the story about Joe Stacy, an Army veteran who, along with other vets in his neighborhood, are in desperate need of getting a pickup truck to help them with the lawn care business. So, in effect, we're really going to be helping several veterans with one vehicle. We're going to give them a call and see if we can't make a difference here this morning.
Hello?
Good morning, Joe.
Good morning.
Joe, I'm calling you because I'm in the studio with Terry Franz, the Car Santa, and the Committee for Cars for Heroes. We've heard a little bit of your story, your request for a pickup truck. Tell us what's going on with your life right now.
Right now, I've got basically a lawn mowing business. I'm working on in order to support the family life. And
I've been talking with Michael Bruins quite a bit. I guess, is he one of your reps down there at the VA or something, or at the?
Yeah, he works with the Full Employment Council, but he works with the disabled vets, and he's kind of working with a few of us here that are trying to get our own businesses going and help out.
Well, that's great. I guess you guys were familiar with John English that we gave a car to here not too long ago, and he kind of told me that John was being generous enough to help some of the guys borrow his cars when they needed to get around.
We all kind of help each other out over here. He's got the car, and I had a car, but it stopped working at the end of the summer. I worked too hard. It wasn't really designed to do what I did this summer with it. But
right.
It's 93. It's falling apart.
Yeah, they said the transmission was going on it.
Well, I replaced the transmission last year, beginning of the season. That being the season didn't have a truck except for this whole S10. I worked it too hard, I think.
Well, Joe, first and foremost, we want to thank you for your service. We appreciate what you and seems like most of your neighbors did for us, and we can't say thank you enough.
Well, thank you.
And the other thing is talking to Michael. Michael has helped us with a lot of vets, finding us guys that could use our help. He seems to think you'd be a pretty good candidate for a vehicle.
Well, that would help out tremendously.
As long as you're helping all them other buddies and you're all trying to get back on your feet, how about we give you a truck so you can keep up with that lawn business?
That would be awesome.
You know, it's pretty nice when you can help more than one veteran with one vehicle.
Oh, yeah, and you got to start somewhere. You know, your listeners out there, they've got that old car sitting alongside the house that's doing nothing. I don't care if it's junk, if it runs, whatever it is. We'll breathe some life into it or steal parts or whatever, but a lot of these guys just want to start. They've given so much to the country that wouldn't it be nice to know that old car next to your house that you're not using could maybe get a guy a start. Homeless a year ago, now they're working, now they got a place to live. They're working together and got some dreams, and so we're just helping them with that dream.
Well, if you know of somebody who needs the dream of being able to get to and from appointments, get a job, reliable transportation is what we had. We're not giving, winning lottery tickets, but you know what? To the guys and gals who receive these cars, it is everything to them. You could too.
Cars, the number 4, heroes.org. You can apply for a car there if you know somebody in need, or you can donate a car. This is a slow time of year for us, so we're trying to pick this up so we can really help a lot of vets this year.